Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to show you a way on how to force multiple cards at the same time, okay? So you have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. As you riffle down the cards like this, you can just have the spectator tell you when to stop, or you can just waterfall them and then have the spectator tell you when to stop. It really doesn't matter which way you're gonna do this trick, okay? So let's say if I riffle down here, have the spectator tell me when to stop. Let's say they stop me right here. Let's say they stop me at the 4 of diamonds. We're not gonna use that card because we've seen it, the 4 of diamonds, so we'll use the card right next to it, okay? So now the spectator told me to stop at a certain card. We'll use this one right here. Now, as I riffle down through the cards this way, I want the spectator to tell me when to stop again, and they can stop me here, or they can have me keep going and stop me here, or I can keep going and stop there, okay? It really doesn't matter, and I'll just push their selected card in, face down in the deck of face-up cards. Now, if I turn the deck over, spread the cards out, we can see that there is one card there, face up. That's where the spectator told me when to stop, and that seems to be the only face-up card in this deck, and it seems to be next to 2 different cards, and let's see what those 2 cards are. Seems that they're the 7 of spades and the 3 of diamonds, okay? Now, beforehand, I made a prediction of what cards the spectator would stop me at, and wouldn't it be amazing if it were the 7 of spades and 3 of diamonds? And that's piece of pie, and that's an easy way on how to force multiple cards at one time, okay? Now, before I tell you how to do this trick, please like and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. It really helps this channel out. I post videos about once a week, usually on different subjects, mostly card tricks. So if you want to get notified of when those videos post, please hit that notification button as well, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. Okay, and now for the tutorial. Piece of pie. You're really forcing one card and making it into a force of 2 or 3 cards that you can use. I just used 2 cards for this trick, but I mean, you're forcing the face-up card too as well, so you can use it for 3 cards if you wanted to, okay? So what you do is your setup is you have the 2 cards that you want to force in mind. Just get those out of the deck, okay? It's a normal deck of cards, and you're gonna need a double back card for this, okay? So I have a red double back card, and you can get these at thebestmagicshop.com. There's a 5 gaff card set of these. It's about $3 and a cost of a postage stamp. So I do it really cheap so you guys can have all the kind of gaff cards in a set that you need, except for, 2 face-to-face cards, okay? So that's kind of neat to buy, or you can buy them at your local magic shop if you have one, okay? So get the 2 cards that you want to force, in this case the 3 of diamonds, the 7 of spades, place them in between whatever card, the jack of hearts, that can be your 3rd card, on the bottom of the deck, okay? So it's just a regular deck of cards, and then your setup is just 1 card face up in between the 2 cards that you want to force, okay? And then now your double back card goes on top, okay? So looking at the deck face up, it's just a normal deck. You have your jack of hearts right here face up, and then your double back card here on the top, okay? And then regular cards in between. Now, if you're brave enough, you can kind of shuffle the cards, as long as you shuffle the bottom cards first without glancing, and kind of riffle them out this way towards, the audience to kind of cover any face-up cards. So that does take practice, but you can do that move as well. Now, you're going to want to do a top force, and you can use any top force you want. If you want to do the riffle force, you can use the riffle force, or if you want to do the slip, I think a slip force is what I did. So you just have them tell you when to stop any point of the cards. As you go like this, you hold the cards like this, pull them back, and then with your other fingers, this is my left hand holding the cards, this is my right hand with the ring on it, okay? You're just sliding off that top double back card as you pull these cards out. So when you do it in front of an audience, you just say, tell me when to stop right there, you stop right there, and you pull off the top card so that double back card is now on the top of this stack, and you just point, say, okay, you stopped me at the 8 of clubs, doesn't matter, we're not gonna use that card, we're gonna use this card. Just take the double back, drop it on the table once you forced it. Now, the force cards that you're forcing are on the bottom, so what you wanna do is give the cards a cut and kind of cut the cards so that the force cards are gonna be in the top half of the deck, okay? So that's what I did. Now you turn the cards face up after you cut them. And then now you're never showing the face of this card, and you're always touching this card. The spectator never touches this card. They just tell you when to stop as you riffle through the cards again, so a little consistency there. And they can stop you here, they can stop you here, they can stop you here. Doesn't matter. If they stop you more towards the top, then you're gonna have to cut the cards again. But if they stop you in the middle, you're pretty golden right there, okay? So you just slide that card in, turn the deck back face up, go through the deck and just look for now the face up card, which is the Jack of Hearts. Take the cards on each side of it, place them on the table. Since you used a double back card and they thought it was just a normal card, you can spread the cards out face down again and show that that was the only face up card. And then now you're ready to reveal the 3 of diamonds, the 7 of spades. Obviously, those are the cards that you wanted to force, okay? You could also force this Jack of Hearts the same way too. So if you wanted to force 3 cards, you could use this. If you want to force 2 cards, you can use this method, okay? So that's piece of pie. It's pretty easy to do. You just need a double back card and a little bit of prep work, and that's about it, okay? Let me know what you think. Put them in the comments below. I appreciate it. Have fun with it, and until next time.